Good morning, everybody. Will be our first video about database in Visual Studio. Okay. In this video, I'll show you how to create a basic connection to a database and create few forms. We already have some forms, and how we bring the data from the database into these forms. Before we do this, we have a project that has a menu, and we will continue on this project. We build up on it. So this would be the first video, and then we will put another video and so forth. We have login, log out, exit. We have forms, customers, and cities. And let's add another one, users. Okay. Now here in the login, I want the login and log out. We will not do it today. We will do it in the next lectures. But we have the exit. The exit, all you need to do is to double click on it and then just type in application.exit. And that will terminate the application. All right. So that's for the exit. Now, I already have a form, two forms in here. One of them is called customer forms, customers form, and then we have user form. Okay. In the menu, if you go back to the design, in the menu, I have these two options. When I click on this, I want to show the customer form. When I click on user, I want to show the user form. Okay, and in addition to that, in the previous videos I showed you how to do the regular form. But here I'm going to make this as multi-document interface form, which means that you can open, when you open the forms, will be part of this main form. Okay, so they will not be outside that form. So what we want to do is that we want to set this as MDI form. So how do you do this? You go to the property of the form and then you say is MDI. Then you say yes, if we can find the is. Do you see that? If as is MDI container, it says false. Now we make it to true. All right. So now notice the form has changed. That means when you show a form, it will be shown within this. Now let's add the code to do what? Show the customer. So I double click on the customer, and then we say we need to create the form. So we say form customer or customer form f equal new customer form. So we're creating the object, the form. Now I can do show. So I can say f dot. First I need to say that the MIDI parent for this form is, for the form we just created, is the main form that we are in, which is the current form, which is this. So I say parent or MIDI parent if I can type, that would be okay. MIDI parent, do you see that? Equal to what? Equal to this. Now, this will tell it that the parent of this form will be is the current form that I am in, which is form 1. So when you display it, when you show it, it will be shown within that form, inside that form. Okay? So now I say here, f dot show. There's two options, show dialog and show regular show. Show dialog, it means it locks the video, but it locks the screen, and you can only interface with this form that we're showing. The show, it shows the form, but you can do other things with it. You can still interact with the parent form. Okay, so I will use show in here. And we can do the same thing for the other one. Now, if I run it, you'll see that log in, customers, it'll show the form within that form. Okay. Of course, we didn't do anything with the other one, so it doesn't show you the user form. If you want to do the same thing, you just copy and paste this code and do the same thing. So you just go to form 1, double click on users, take this, control copy, and then just put it in here, change this from customers form to users forms. And same thing here, users form. Okay, and then now it's happy. Then you'll show the user form. All right, that is the first part, just to get started. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this video.